You've just left a party or a bar, you're driving down the road, and you see the lights explode in your rearview mirror. What do you do? Well, if you're with a passenger, tell him or her not to say a thing and not to get involved. That can only make matters worse. The police officer is going to come up alongside the car. Treat him or her with the ultimate respect. Don't start arguing about why you were stopped. The time to argue a traffic ticket is in court, not at the edge of the road. They're going to ask you if you had something to drink. Recognize if you tell them you did, they are going to get you out of the car. But also recognize if you tell them you didn't, they're going to smell the smell of alcohol in your breath. They're going to ask you to step out of the vehicle, step out as carefully as you can, and they'll ask you to perform a series of field sobriety tests. They may ask you to perform the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration 3-test battery. The first thing they'll probably ask you to do is do a 9-step walk and turn. Try to do it as carefully as you can, and please listen to the instructions that you're being given. You will be graded down if you don't follow the instructions. Now, if you have any form of physical disability, a bad knee, a bad ankle, a hip problem, nerve damage in your hands or something, be absolutely certain that you tell the police officer, because that will probably become part of the record. Likewise, if you have a lazy eye, be sure you tell the police officer, because when they do the horizontal gaze nystagmus examination, they are going to see that your eye isn't responding appropriately and assume that was the result of alcohol. Finally, if the handcuffs go on, don't start arguing. Don't get into a big fuss about it. Simply get in the police car and cooperate. At some point, they're going to ask you if you want to submit to a breath test. Well, the best thing you could do at that point is say, I want to talk to an attorney. Tell them you want to talk to a lawyer and repeatedly say it until they let you talk to a lawyer. In the state of New York, you do have the right to consult with counsel before taking a breath test, although that's only by phone. They don't have to wait till a lawyer gets there. The bottom line is go along with it, be polite, be respectful, and we'll handle the situation the next day.